Hi guys, welcome back on board to the Crypto Cruise. It's me Chris, and today we're going to talk about ICP, Internet Computer, what ICP is all about, what makes it unique. We're going to talk some chart analysis, potential price target. We also, of course, we're going to talk about Ethereum, where Ethereum is heading the immediate short term. And today's show, we're going to start with the Bitcoin chart, as we always do. And we experienced quite a significant correction on Friday. Basically, in my personal opinion, that was a flash crash, even though the market capitalization is quite big. That's in my personal opinion happen. And what I'm actually anticipating the next coming days is to have a full recovery. I mean, Bitcoin is still around 114,000. So I mean, considering the fact that the bottom of the bear market happened in November of 2022, a price of around 15,000, we have to establish one thing, that we're in a raging bull market. And corrections like these, they're actually for buying, they're actually healthy for the overall trend. And as I've said, what I'm actually anticipating is a V-shaped recovery. I'm not going to be surprised. I'm not going to be surprised at all if by the end of October, Bitcoin start hitting all-time high prices, meaning above 126, potentially to 130,000. Of course, it's really hard to believe right now because on Friday, Bitcoin dropped to price of around 102,000, but I mean, we're experiencing quite a significant recovery. I mean, yes, it might be a dead cat, it might be a dead cat bounce, but in my personal opinion, we're heading for a massive, huge bullish momentum the next coming days, potentially coming weeks. When it comes to Ethereum, I see nothing but bullish momentum as well. Here it is on the weekly chart, but not only on the weekly chart, on the yearly chart as well. Huge reverse head and shoulders, bullish structure, ascending triangle pattern, as you can clearly see here. And if we measure the from the bottom to the top, the price target should be above 6,600. And I still anticipate for Ethereum to go above 6,600, potentially 7, even 8,000 by the end of November, early December. Basically, what I'm actually anticipating the next coming months, the next 4 to 6 months, to have a blow off top and potentially the outgoing season, because this is exactly the time basically to happen, because there's a lot of fear in the markets. Almost everyone is shaken off. Nobody believes in crypto anymore. Everyone is, I mean, pretty much scared to get into that sphere, right? But this is exactly the time you should buy, because when everyone is fearful, you should be greedy, and vice versa. But strictly, fundamentally, on the chart analysis, I see nothing but bullish momentum when it comes to Ethereum. And as I've said, we broke above this resistance line that we start testing from 8th of November 2021, price of around 4,868. We tested it here in March of 2024, in June of 2020, even at the end of last year. We tested while everyone was thinking we're going to break above, we're going to start hitting all-time high prices for Ethereum. Just Bitcoin did. We actually capitulated from 4,000 all the way to 1,200. Almost everyone got shaken off. And pretty much from April to August, we had we moved to on a straight up line. Right now, we just consolidate, little correcting for continuation of the trend on the upside. And also, by March, April of next year, as I've said, I'm not going to be surprised at all if Ethereum goes and tests price of above 5 digits or even $10,000. It's something that charts, guys, this is not just wishful thinking. Now, when it comes to ICP, Internet Computer, there's a lot of bearish momentum. Almost nobody believes in Internet Computer. And basically, on Friday, we dropped quite badly here. I think we went even under $1. No, actually we went $1.60, but still quite significantly. But it wasn't only Internet Computer. I think all the crypto markets dropped. But right now we're experiencing a huge recovery, and my personal opinion, the altcoin season is going to happen again. Anything I say in this video, it is not a financial advice, it's for pure entertainment purposes. And before you do anything, do the diligence and make your own research, because as I said, this is not a financial advice. Internet computer, right, can easily go to zero, guys. So always do diligence and make your own research, because as I said, crypto is very unpredictable. And even if you believe you have the best coin and that coin will go to the moon, you never know. Anything can happen, and any coin can easily go to zero. But if I have to deal with a theory of probabilities, in my personal opinion, ICP is heading for higher prices than lower prices. So from that point of view, I mean, not a financial advice. You should put some money in ICP and or rather just do your diligence and make your own research, because this is not a financial advice. But there's a lot of bearish momentum when it comes to internet computer. What I'd like to see for ICP, but well, what I'm actually anticipating for the whole crypto market is, I mean, altcoin season. In altcoin season, we can clearly see 30, 40, even 100x. So from that point of view, I mean, even 100x from here, right, is going to be like 348. But I don't think this will happen. But is it possible, basically from $354 to go to 200? Basically around 50x, right? Something like that potentially happen. It can happen, because it happened with many other coins. We have to just look at the database. We just have to, if history is any indicator, we just have to see what happened previously with coins such as like Binance Coin, ADA, Cardano, Solana, Terra Luna, many more. They went, and Polygon. I mean, Polygon went 200x. ICP can repeat some of these moves. What I'd like to see for ICP is basically get into this channel pattern here. Basically go above the $12, $13 level, break above this resistance line, turn it into support, test this upper trend line that we've tested multiple times in the past, here in August of 2022, here in March of 2024, price of around $21. So if ICP goes and tests this resistance line, upper resistance line of this channel pattern at a price of above $30, potentially to $31, turn this previous resistance line, we can, I mean, these altcoins, they can move really fast, guys, right? They can move really fast. I mean, on the downside and on the upside, and on the upside as well. So ICP has very good fundamentals. The narrative works on its narrative as well, and yeah, I think ICP has again, ICP can easily go to zero. So always do diligence and make your own research. But I'm my personal opinion, I anticipate ICP to have way higher prices than what it is now. And yeah, let's see how I think it's gonna play out. It's interesting for me to see as well. Once again, guys, thank you all for tuning in. I really appreciate all support. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube, please do it. It's for absolutely free. And if you want to subscribe to my Patreon and really support my work, that would be absolutely amazing. With that subscription comes exclusive content with the most undervalued, underappreciated coins, some of them 50, 100x potential, one-on-one consultation of how to navigate through that really difficult bull cycle, and my 2 books of how to become a sophisticated and exclusive content as well. Once again, guys, thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Goodbye.